Hey friends, it's Marquita. I'm starting my series of surgery today after ruining my teeth by having silver fillings removed. Please say a quick prayer for me. Thank you. Love you. So, I just had my last root canal out of 4. It's been a horrible journey. So I had silver amalgam taken out, and it really damaged my teeth. So I've had to have 4 root canals, and I feel horrible. My face is super swollen. My whole side is numb. It's kind of painful, but I feel horrible, y'all. And I look rough. I feel horrible. Pray for me. My face is swollen and it hurts, and I look rough, but it's my own fault because I ruined my teeth taking out silver fillings. It's horrible. And it damaged my teeth, so I had to have a root canal. So y'all pray for me. Pray for me, please. Hey everybody, welcome back to More with Marquita. I know it's been a while and I'm so sorry, y'all. I know that's always my story. I'm so sorry. So let me tell y'all kind of what's been going on. I guess I had a lot of dental issues, y'all. My teeth are fine now, but the struggle was real. Back in the day, I had a lot of silver fillings put in my mouth. I guess my early teen years. I had silver teeth and silver fillings. So as time has gone by, I had all of my silver teeth taken out. Something that I guess should have been done a long time ago by my dentist. But you know, when you're on Medicaid, they just don't really care about stuff like that. So now being older and having a job, that's my responsibility. So I was really insecure about having silver fillings, so I was determined to have those taken out of my mouth. And my dentist now, he begged me not to have the surgery. He told me that I would be in a lot of pain, I would damage my teeth, and I actually booked appointments with him, and I think I had about 5 appointments, and he just kept canceling every one of them. Something always happened, and I finally figured out, oh, okay, he just didn't want to do the surgery. So I'm thinking, I don't understand why he didn't want to do the surgery. If he's going to keep blowing me off, I'm just going to find another dentist. So I found another dentist, finally had the surgery done. I had my silver fillings replaced with white onlays and inlays so they would last longer. And my dentist was actually not wrong. Oh, y'all. It has been the worst. I've been in severe pain, severe tooth pain, severe headaches. I've had just nausea and other stomach issues from just the pain and the headaches themselves. So if you have silver fillings, try your best to live with them, especially if they're not damaged. I know, like, cosmetically they're not always the best looking, but it is I don't know, because then they have the argument for mercury, and some people say that you're allowing mercury in your body. Some people say that as long as you don't bother with the silver, you're not releasing the mercury. But considering the amount of pain that I've been in, I think I probably would have just held on to my silver fillings, just to be honest. Some days I'm just sleeping a lot because of the pain. I've had many antibiotics, Z-Paks. I've been on Tylenol 3. I've been on Percocets. I've been on hydrocodone. Thank God, like, not addicted or anything like that, just because of the severe pain. So we finally fixed the issue. That resulted in about 4 root canals. So I finally feel good again. I just wanted to let anybody know that if you have silver fillings, if you have them removed, it is painful. Just from my experience, it's severely painful. So, yeah, that's where I've been. Take care of your teeth. I don't know.